morning, everyone, and welcome to day 2 of the Simply Stated Design 2025 Advent. Let's see what day 2 brings us. It's a big package. Okay, number 2, here we go. Oh my gosh, Holly. Oh my God. Oh, that is incredible. Just incredible. I love it. And then a plaid pattern. Gorgeous. And the pattern that is on the front of the box this year. Oh, I love that with the music, the holly. It screams Christmas. Speaking of screaming, oh my God, look at that with the gold running through it. That is incredible. Oh my gosh, so happy with day 2. That is amazing. I am in love. I'm just in love. It doesn't get any better than that. Wow. Gosh, I hope you guys, I hope this comes across as beautiful as it is in person, because it is amazing. Chantel, you have outdone yourself as per usual. Okay, everyone, that is day 2 of the 2025 Simply Stated Design Christmas Advent. And I will see you for day 3 tomorrow. Have an incredibly crafty day. La, 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 la.